Hi everyone. So this video is actually today's problem of the day screencast. More specifically, Geeks for Geeks problem of the day. Screencast basically means if you are watching this video for the first time, screencast means that I have not solved the problem till now and I will be solving it live. And although the problem is very easy, it says it is easy level problem. And let's just see what happens. So it says that we have been given a n into n matrix and we have to print the elements of the matrix in a select pattern. So basically for the 0th row you have to go to the right, for the first row you have to go to the left, for the second row you have to go to the right again. Now this problem is very simple, I believe. For each row you can set whether you want to go to the right, or you can set you want to go to the left depending upon the odd even value or the parity of the ith row. So in this case we can see if the value of I is even, if you are starting from 0 and if the value of I is even, we have to go towards the right. If the value of I is odd, we have to go towards the left. So it is as simple as it is. Now how can we solve this problem? It's very simple. So let me just create a vector integer of answer. Now what I'm essentially going to do is I'm going to create two values, int I is equal to 0 and int j is equal to 0. So these are actually going to represent the indexes in my what do you say, indexes in my final matrix, so this matrix. Now I'm just going to start, let me just create n size. So this is going to be matrix.size. So just that I get the dimensions, and obviously instead of having it like this, you can just create an answer vector of this specific size. So now I'm just going to maintain a count from 0, count is less than n into n actually, and count plus plus. Now I'm just going to add the current element into my matrix. So what will happen? My answer of C is going to be matrix of ij. Now if my ith, that means the row value, is odd, I'm going to decrement my j, otherwise I'm going to increment my j. Now if after doing the operation either j will become equals to n or j will becomes equals to -1. Why is it like this? So for example, if this is a matrix, and let's say you were at the 0th row and you were at this last element. So after processing this element, you are at the 0th row, so it is an even row. That means your j is going to get incremented. Here you see the logic for it. Now if you increment it, j will actually become equals to n. So if j is equals to n, similarly for the odd row, that is this particular row, after processing this element, you will actually move out of this grid and you will go to index -1. So either one of is, if it is true, so depending upon if j is equals to n, so what will make j? J is equals to n minus 1, else j is equals to 0. So basically if we moved out of here, I'm just going to reset it back to this particular position. If we moved out of here, I'm just going to reset it back to this particular position. In both of the cases, I have to increment my value of I, and that's it. I believe that should work, and I can just return my answer vector. So let me compile it and quickly check if we have not missed anything. So we have got what is it? Okay, so we had to create it of size n cross n, because we have a matrix of size n cross n. This answer vector should also be of size n cross n. Yeah, we have got the correct output. This works. Let me quickly submit this and let's just see. So you see it passes all the test cases and this solution is absolutely correct. And the problem was very simple. It's just a basic implementation problem. I hope that you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, then definitely consider dropping a like on this video. And don't forget to share thoughts in the comments. And obviously, like, you guys have a superpower. Your likes and your engagement with this particular video really helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is actually helpful for you, and it will be able to reach much more people like you who want to keep solving new problems. So definitely consider dropping a comment or a like, and I'll be making similar videos for lead code as well. I'll try to be as regular as possible. So till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.